Hi, I'm Jason. I'm shooting on behalf of exportvillage.com today. We're making a necklace out of recyclable materials that we found. We've done all the measuring. We've done all of everything that we need to do now. We're ready to assemble the necklace. We're going to put the charm in really quickly. Just put the charm and the bead both in. A little more they need to be, and find our mark where the clasp needs to hold on to, which is clear back here. So we've got, this is where the clasp is going to go, the final knot for the clasp, and make sure that our mark lined up with our bead, and we were going to be within that center, and we did. Here's our mark, and it's right on the edge of that bead. So we know that when we tie this, it's going to be center, everything's going to be right. It seems a bit tedious to mark all these things, but when they line up, you know that's where center is. So it was definitely worth doing. Next, we will tie the knot in the end of the bead and fasten it to the clasp, and we'll be done.